In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create chrome, brushed metal, and plastic shaders in Adobe Dimension. Let's get set up. Start by launching Adobe Dimension on your desktop. Once it's open, load the document you're working on and select the 3D object that will receive the material. It could be a product mockup, a simple primitive, or any imported model. Having the object selected ensures the material applies exactly where you expect. We'll begin with chrome. Chrome is a highly reflective metal that relies on a smooth surface and clear environment reflections. Open the Starter Assets panel and switch to Materials. In the search bar, type chrome or look under the metal category. Drag your chosen chrome material onto the object. With the object still selected, look at the material properties. Drop roughness all the way down to 0%. That removes microsurface imperfections and gives you a polished, mirror-like finish. If the reflections look dull, remember that chrome simply mirrors its surroundings, so a good environment light or background will make your chrome pop. Next, let's create brushed metal. This is still metallic, but it has a directional texture that softens reflections. Back in Starter Assets, open Materials and search for brushed. Choose one of the brushed options under Metal and drag it onto the object. In the Material Properties, increase roughness slightly to introduce that characteristic sheen without becoming matte. To push the effect, load a black and white texture map into the roughness slot. Fine, linear streaks in the map simulate the tiny grooves that define brushed finishes. Rotate the map or adjust its scale to match the direction of the brushing on your model's surface for the most realistic look. Finally, let's set up plastic. Plastic is non-metallic, so the reflections are from the coating rather than the base material. In Starter Assets, open Materials and search for plastic, then apply one you like to the object. In the Material Properties, set Metallic to 0. That tells Dimension it's not a metal. Pick a base color that suits your design. Then use roughness to control the finish. Lower values give you a glossy, almost wet look with sharper highlights, while higher values produce a soft, matte surface that diffuses light. If you want that premium, semi-gloss vibe, aim for a mid-level roughness so highlights feel controlled without being harsh. That's it. Launch Dimension, select your object, then apply and tune chrome, brushed metal, and plastic using materials, roughness, and metallic. With a good environment light, your shaders will look polished and believable.